Like I said, I'm a big fan of rap music, like real rap music storytelling. And it's been a while, you know, and it's not only Sarkodie. If more people do it, I'll make dance challenges for it, for real. Because I love rap. That is it. I don't have anything. It's not like I'm cloud chasing or whatever. The dance is nice. People love it. So, yeah.
Me pacho, me ti me bisa obi say enye Sarkodie nkwa na why rap song. And enye the first rap song cry ya wo kroma ani. In this year cry ya kasa.
Yeah, it is.
Now
it is though, Miss G.
Ah, sir.
Yeah.
The whole year be enye rap song here.
Yeah, give me one.
Amrado ni strong man mo koni medical mo ko enye rap no mo ye. Eno mu nyina enye rap no mo ye.
No, storytelling rap.
Eh. The mo ye na ye.
Storytelling, I say like content or cast story.
Yeah, but Amrado's.
No, maybe I said your movie and so
what was it about?
Grace was about his beginning in
I found out
his beginning of life.
Until
I haven't heard that one. If I heard it, I'll do it.
Yeah, as something in Ako say, I say, oh, personal interest be. I say near kosu, say beef near kosu no. Oh, personal interest. They be our interest because. First, if you say, oh, Yambo within what book anymore. Two, what's uncle your book cover? I am not Kwame. Let's say, oh, interest. And you're not post here.
By Eminem,
and I'll post here.
Yeah.
Because
it was nice. I look like Yvonne in the picture.
When him says, I Yvonne, I say, me, can't. To the point that Yvonne Cracker say, oh, yeah, Nini, we are cousins, or no grandmother gazy, and I also we are gazy, and we are cousins. And then, quan a issue no between what we Yvonne because I say Yvonne wants to be bad now. Why the dead be opposite or jumping?
Not at all. Yvonne, like I didn't say anything about her book. It was the song. It had nothing to do with Yvonne. It was the song. I'm a big hip hop fan. You know, real rap fan, and I felt like Charlie, a diss song like that. The last time I heard a diss song like that from Ghana was Maba Xdo or Chicago then times, you know. So yeah.
Unfortunately, this song we go for happy because they say Bema did you bad him. So it's not a diss song that you expect to say Bema bisutia, then Nibajia or the best, you know.
But Odidina them.
One tea attend the deal.
There be.
What's then out to one.
When I also would say the gatem.
And I say then now, also see what then I would see one you
raps, any nice beats.
Then all kind of rap them. So say a storytelling, then story no kind.
But we all know Miss J. It's like the front right now is like so. If you think there was an insult, I think you should say it because I mean, can't say I did Tembia womb. Yeah.
And see, so because
they will show Becca insult.
Oh, they be me baby so.
But we can say insult to him.
Me see word on the streets.
But we can say.
Me patrol say me challenge now yeah. So me kind comments ni be ma. Ebi na real crowd.
But we can say insult to him.
Me dey say baby a meeting no. Me new opinion. Me bisa question. One. And na problem.
Cinema we can say insult to him.
Because obia benya ni die, but the most important say also won't see insult woman. But so what your interview we are any enkomo ya betwetwe what say Sarkodie ka say anka onyanka I say nuhu bi ya bem onyanka onye ne say e bia anka obe putting the thoughts differently.
Yeah, but and don't just say insult or
na incident na wanya nuhu no.
Maybe timing, I don't know. If there is an insult, I would like to hear the insult. Because me, I've heard a song like a million times. I love it. And I didn't hear any insult. So if someone thinks they heard any insult, they can bring it up and we'll talk about it.
Miss Kaipa, for the sake of this conversation, so what it's a logic making statement. Say we call back to you about such challenge now. Yeah. Logic, do you remember what you said?
Yes, I do.
And see, what did you say about say Pappy joining challenge?
Oh, so me, I was disappointed in Pappy because I mean, from the very beginning, until rap song be a storytelling as sax on. Because I'm telling you, Kasa Obwa. Because on Kasa no it's not storytelling.
I said in a while.
This year, okay, in a while. But I mean, do you know how many songs have been out there? Medical and so on and so forth.
Can you give me one?
Strongman. I'm not a rap fan, but there are so many of them on the
market. You're just saying stuff. If you don't know what you're saying
stuff.
Yeah, so give us one. You said I'm lying.
If you tell me to give you one, Ola gave you examples. Who say one?
Yeah, but you Anka say you don't know what you're saying.
I'm not a rap fan. But I've heard songs on radio released lately that I don't
Like
follow, but
what?
I listen to them.
Like what? Give me the rap song.
Did you hear me say I'm not a rap fan?
So how do you know it's a rap song you heard?
What are you talking about? Now, you think you alone write songs, eh?
Huh?
Charlie, don't sit down here and talk as if you're the only person who writes songs.
But sir,
The way they talk, no,
I'm the only
I don't like people who are
only
hypocrites.
person here who's
You
an
are talking like a
award-winning
hypocrite.
rapper.
Miss G, yeah, so me can say I cannot recall any of them. I don't just say me name.
I don't just say name.
I don't just say me name.
That's what it means.
I guess it means-
Obeka.
Oh, sir.
Yeah.
Who person mean?
Either wouldn't man or true.
Now, I make us sure. I'm not here to recommend any song. What's up now, kind of because who can't throw?
but sir, as I'm looking,
Who can't throw because I'm coming because you brought me into the conversation.
No, because I was even going to. I was asking you to go back to what you
referring
said,
to
what
I
previously,
said.
not any
Yes, yes.
American.
So make us say, no, can I say, or a hypocrite visa because your fellow rappers who are listening to you will be disappointed to say, Sack Nyon Pen and Mawati the whole of this year. That's
the only rap song I've heard this
recent
year.
times. Recent time, how many months ago? Okay, Miji, no Pappy now to one of say ABA. First of all, he even cited say I should apologize for fellas. No, I'm not going back. I'm not going back. Please,
But you have to though. If you respect women, you have to.
If I respect women.
Yeah, you have to.
Don't go back to
the say you asked whether what I said that day. Because I grow in this, I'll repeat it. Reason why I said that is that say I said he was making mockery of Yvonne.
Why? Why would you think that?
Very good. Saka Yanyom. One way rapper out in China also a musician. And you need impact the negative impact that you know. Saka crowd in interview say he is not proud of what he did. So if you're not proud of what a thing you did, you have to do the right thing then. It means that what he did is wrong. Or no no. But he is not proud of it. It means that from the very beginning of release you know cover right now backlash never no. Or no kasa turn so. Into no wako out there or see he is not proud of it. But you, a bystander, a friend, you are out there performing, demonstrating the song on stage. That means if honest him say
he's not proud of it. You heard it now.
I'm coming, please.
What you said it before Sack said he was not proud of it.
I also saw Yvonne said that Ojai was it Pappy for Joy B?
So I didn't any book.
Whether it's true or false, it's not in the book, but we saw it online.
Yeah, I think so.
We cannot still justify the fact that it be a BBSC, but it's a thing we saw.
That's what how it's me bizarre.
Me, I'm not the interviewer. And I make her say I'm making references to you because of what I saw. And I make her say Yvonne or Madame for. Make her say be our.
Where then who saw Madame for?
I only Yvonne any pictures. Only
say Madame for.
You are officer me akwara me
who say me no be a picture na say.
Aye Madame for ni na video.
No, when they make us calm down. I say we person fighting.
Me fight for what? Me no fight again.
The same energy you gave to Felununa.
Papi, energy now would buy. Me say energy now me so me buy you because already know me buy in peace, but all the trouble buy.
Yeah. Because like I said,
you give me one.
I won't come.
I didn't come.
You're here trying to defend.
I'm coming. But first of all, you even asked for an apology. And you came. I should apologize to what?
You are here.
What are you talking about?
Let me tell you what I'm talking about. You're here trying to defend Yvonne. Yvonne is as a woman the same way Felunina is. So if you're going to defend Yvonne, it's because Yvonne was Sika or she's famous.
The day
I'm coming.
Let me finish. Then you also come.
If you're defending Yvonne, it's either Yvonne with Sika, that's why she's famous, or you see Yvonne, that's why you defend Yvonne. But Yvonne is a woman like Felunina. So if Felunina comes here and you guys disrespect Felunina, I don't see why right now you're saying you're trying to defend Yvonne. Like,
Papi, let me respond to him. Let me just
let's close this case and go.
The time Feluna came here, you were not here.
I saw it on TV.
You watched from home.
Yeah.
And I make a choice say, fairly better now I say no. Ebiana because now we are viewer from home. To say we're pushing her around. Did you see how it started?
I saw what I saw, my guy.
Because
I saw what I saw.
I'm coming. If you respect, let me respond to no. He just mentioned me responding. If you respect Feluna enough to ask me to apologize to her, then you should respect Yvonne enough for you to apologize to her for the mockery you made of her. Yes, you are laughing. I'm telling you.
Okay. Wait, so what happened to support Ghana music? What happened to support your brother?
Support which brother?
Sarkodie.
What has Sark done? How am I against
I'm coming. Right now, the music we do, it's not just raps. It comes with TikTok challenge. It comes with a whole lot. maybe Sack doesn't do TikTok challenge, but we need to push the song. Pappy Kojo, I'll do the TikTok challenge to support my brother. What about that?
Okay.
The reason
Mr.
why,
Logic.
Miss, he just asked me a question. If you allow him to speak and you don't allow me to speak, why are you pushing me into the wall?
Yes, yes.
Let me answer a question. He asked me the question. And you're back and forth. What he's saying is going on air.
Kase.
Obisa Masana Manya, I only say it's pushing me to the wall. Uka said what you did is support your brother. It's a lie. It's a lie because the song, we all know the background of the song. And here you more tastable.
You can't say that. That's disrespectful to Sarkodie. You can't say that. Someone does a song and then you're on TV.
It's what?
You're on TV saying it's not tastable.
It is not.
What are you talking about?
A song that you use curse words and song that you yourself you're all saying that you're part of it.
My guy.
What are you talking about?
My guy, he does rap.
A song himself is not part of.
Come on, listen. He does rap. Listen. Listen.
Listen.
Please you allow me to speak.
I am on the floor. I'm not interjecting. I am on the floor. No, you have to allow. I can't listen to you. You must listen to me.
I don't see why I have to come here and then tolerate this all this disrespect.
What do you call
I'm a winning award.
But don't you know
I'm a winning award artist. You can't let anybody just talk to me like that. You understand?
F your award artist. F your award artist.
You come there.
What are you doing?
You don't be serious. You don't be serious. You don't be serious.
Mr. Logic.
Award artist for what?
It's Feluna that you talk to like that.
But you
that you talk to like that.
Pappy Kojo.
Stop.